it's time to prepare the ingredients. First, add 1 egg.
Let's add 1 cup white sugar. Let's add 1/2 cup fresh milk.
So this is the butter that we're going to use, 10 grams per cut, 2 cuts of this. So let's soften it now. Okay, so we need 2 slices of this. Let's soften it now. Ayan, low fire lang until melt. Okay, so it's almost melting now. It has perfectly melted. Let it cool in few minutes para hindi maluto yung egg natin.
Now, let's add 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Now, let's add 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
And then set aside the liquid ingredients. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Let's add 1 cup of flour. Let's add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder or 79 ml.
Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Let's add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
And then sift. And mix until combined. No.
And then let's combine together the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients slowly while beating, while mixing. Add one at a time. Add again and mix until the dry ingredients is done. And then mix well until fluffy. And then let's fill the cupcake cups 3/4 full. And we are done here, so we are ready to bake. Again, ready for baking.
After 18 minutes, here you are.